Hi, good morning to everyone. Today, natural calamities, flood and earthquake. Let we know what is natural disaster. A natural disaster is defined as the negative impact following an actual occurrence of a natural hazard that significantly harms a community. A natural disaster can result in loss of life, property damage, as well as economic damage. There are four types of disasters. The first one, hydrological disaster. For example, avalanches and floods. These two are the examples of hydrological disaster. The second one, climatological disaster. Examples: extreme temperatures, drought condition and wildfires. These three are the examples of climatological disaster. The third one, meteorological disaster. For examples, cyclones and storms, wave surges. These are the examples of meteorological disaster. And the fourth one, biological disaster. What are the biological disasters? Disease epidemics and insect animal plagues. Let me know what are the calamities of earthquake. Earthquake can cause ground to shake, soil to liquefy, landslides, fissures, avalanches, fires, tsunamis. The magnitude of an earthquake determines extent of its destruction and harm, duration and intensity. Next, what are the floods and earthquake? Flooding and earthquakes are both natural disasters that cause the death of people around the world each year. However, floods can be caused by humans. Its occurrence is caused by deforestation in upper catchment area, dam failure, and excessive water release from reservoirs. Floods are the most common type of natural disaster, occurring when an overflow of water submerges normally dry land. Floods are frequently caused in coastal areas by heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt, or storm surge from tropical cyclone or tsunami. The next, top 8 common causes of flooding. First one, heavy rainfall. The second one, overflow of rivers. The third one, broken dams, urban drainage basins, storm surges and tsunamis, channels with steep sides. And the seventh one, the lack of vegetation and melting snow and ice. These are the top common causes of flooding. And the most common causes of earthquake. Let we know, first one, pore pressure decreases during the groundwater extraction. The second one, pore pressure increases in groundwater. And third one, it rains heavily. Fourth one, flow of fluid through pores. And fifth one, carbon dioxide pressure is high. And the last one, dam construction. These are the 6 common type causes of earthquake. And what are the consequences of flood? The most people are aware. The immediate consequences of flooding include loss of life, property damage, crop destruction, livestock loss, and deterioration of health conditions due to waterborne diseases. Floods are classified into 3 types: flash floods, river floods, coastal floods. Thank you.